I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to receive money through Citizens Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Citizens Bank app. Download and open the Citizens Bank mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you have your account details handy for a smooth setup. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, find the Transfers option in the main menu. This is where you can manage incoming funds. Step 3. Select Receive Money. In the Transfer section, look for the Receive Money feature. This will guide you through the process of receiving funds from others. Step 4. Enter the sender's information. Input the sender's details, including their name and the amount they are sending. Double-check the information to avoid any errors. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if the sender is using a different bank, they may need to use a specific method like Zelle or another transfer service to send the money to you. Happy banking!